Casharee and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Toyo Tress hair. They sent me over their passion twist hair to try out, which is how I achieved these lovely passion twists right here. Their pack of hair comes like this. You'll get this one big package, and inside this one package you will get 6 individually wrapped bundles of hair. I personally use 3.5 bundles to install these passion twists on my head, and I use the color T350. What's also cool about their hair is that you will also get a crochet needle and some rubber bands and a few hair clip accessories, which is pretty convenient. So if you want to know where you can purchase this hair, be sure to check the description box below for that link. And if you want to see my updated method of how I install these passion twists, just stay tuned and keep watching. Alright, so I'm just starting with adding moisturizer and oil to the section of hair I'm doing. Then I'm going to take some jam and put at the roots. Now what I'm going to do is just start braiding my natural hair. Only about that much and stop. Then I'm going to take one strand of hair, fluff it out, just using my nails, just running my nails through the hair. And I'm going to take my crochet needle and put it through my hair. Attach the hair. Close the latch and pull it through. Now I'm going to just take this opening, put my fingers through there and grab both the curly hair and my natural hair and pull it through the loop. Then I just pull it to tighten it to the base of my scalp. So it's now like that. Now what I'm going to do is split this back into 2 sections. And now just begin to twist the hair. I have a lot of jam right there, so I'm just going to try to smooth that out. And as I'm twisting, I am kind of overlapping. I like pull up a little bit to make it overlap, to make the twist overlap as I go down. Otherwise, it just ends up looking like just a regular plain twist and not really the passion-y wave twist, which I want. So I just twist all the way down to the end, and then I take a little gel and just twirl the ends, just so that it's not super straggly. And then this is what the twist looks like. Oh, okay, wait, let's try that again. Yeah, so I'm doing this particular technique for all of the twists in the front. So like pretty much the front 2 rows at least I'm doing this crochet technique. So I'm going to do this second one using the same technique, and then I will show y'all the other technique I am doing in the back. Okay, for the twist further in the back, what I'm doing is still taking my piece of hair, fluffing it out. But instead of using the crochet needle and so I can, like, you know, make the roots look a little neater in the front, I am just starting off with a braid to attach the hair. So y'all know I use the most simple, cheap way to attach hair and start a braid by just using my real hair as the third piece to start the braid. So I'm just going to start by braiding the hair down just a little bit. Okay, then once I braid about this far down, what I'm going to do now is once my natural hair is in the center, I'm just going to split it in two. So now that I'll only have two sections, and then start twisting the hair. So I don't know if y'all can tell on camera the difference or not between the two techniques, but here's just a close-up of what they look like. So yeah, I'm just going to finish off the rest of my head. I'm like halfway through, still have a lot more to go, so I'll be back. Alright, so here I finally completed the whole head, so I'm just going over it with some mousse to get those flyaways. And then, you know, you can't forget about those edges in the front. They must be laid, of course. So I'm just going to go in here with my gel and lay the edges. And here is my final look. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see y'all next time.